Hey there! Let's talk about equity yard signs and how they can help you sell homes and get new leads. These signs are special because they do a lot of the work for you. Each sign comes with a unique 24-hour recorded info number that works automatically with your single-family home listings in MLS. When someone's interested in a house, the sign helps you capture their information without you having to do anything. Here's how it works when a buyer sees your sign. They call the number on the sign and enter the house number. Then they'll hear all about the home's features. The best part? At the end of the message, they can press a button to connect with you directly. Now, here's what happens on your end. The moment someone calls about a house, you'll get a text and email right away. You'll see their phone number and which property they're asking about. Everything goes straight into your website's contact system, so you won't miss any leads. Getting started is super simple. Just put your MLS ID into proagentwebsites.com and you're good to go. Quick heads up though, if you're selling condos, land, or commercial properties, you'll need different signs with your personal phone number instead. Ready to get your signs? Here's what to do. First, download the sign file below that has your special phone number. Then ask your equity broker which sign company they recommend. Send the file to that company, and they'll make signs that look professional and follow all of Equity's style guide. Want to try it out? Talk to your equity broker about buying just a few signs to start. It's a great way to test the system without ordering too many at once. That's really all there is to it. The signs work automatically to help you get more leads while you're busy doing other things.